What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we will talk about Ethereum Classic or ETC. And I also wanted to talk a little bit more about the effect of the merge on ETC. So we'll do an analysis. But after that I also wanted to talk a little bit about the effects of the merge of Ethereum on ETC. Alright. If we take a look at ETC, we're down about 10%. We're falling together with the market. As you can see, we're almost 100% correlated with Ethereum over the last 24 hours. Volume is amazing at 1.6 billion. I cannot stress that enough. The volume of ETC is amazing. It's in the top 6. It's higher than XRP, Solana, Cardano. So that's a great thing to see. So let's actually get into the analysis. So last analysis, I said that this would happen. Which in my opinion was almost 100% correct. We didn't really find support at this level anymore, so that last touch wasn't. But I did expect us to drop down to this level here at $32 again, which we have done. Which gives ETC kind of an advantage to other cryptos, because most cryptos aren't this high anymore. Alright, most cryptos are lower than their levels the 20th of August, but because we were relatively bullish with Ethereum Classic, we kind of mitigated the damages. I have to say I do expect that we'll drop down lower. We've dropped down below this $34 level. I already took a break retest, so I expect us to drop down to this level here at $32 and $31 again. All right, but I do think we can hold this level for at least the next couple of days, and then afterwards, like within the next week, kind of end of the week or the beginning of next week, in like days, so 7 days or 8 days, I think we'll also drop down to $27 and $28. But this drop is mainly because I expect Bitcoin to fall too, and the whole market still is correlated with Bitcoin. All right, so I expect Bitcoin to drop down to 19,000. If, for example, you don't think that's going to happen and Bitcoin is going to stay at the levels it's at right now, it's around 20,000. Then I would think that $32 would hold, but as I said, it's hard for me to say because I don't think it will. I admire ETC, but I don't think it's strong enough to hold these levels. I think we're going to drop down to $28, and after that, I mean, in the end, we're in a bear market. Next month, we might also drop down to $22 again, and down to that $18. That's all very possible. Although that would really be something for the long term, all right. And I will keep updating it, so there's not really any point in talking about that yet. There is a point in talking about the merge though. Merge is happening in about 18 days. You can follow the timer on Ethereum, and there are a lot of theories about that. For example, the miners, of course, of Ethereum that have to move somewhere. There are some theories that they'll move to Ethereum Classic, but in my opinion, I don't think a lot of miners or a big percentage of the miners are going to Ethereum Classic. Even though as I said, I admire the mission of Ethereum Classic, and I think there's definitely something to say in favor of its existence. There is not a very big ecosystem around Ethereum Classic. There is a big ecosystem around Ethereum. So what I think is going to happen is that those miners, they'll go into staking Ethereum, all right? So they'll go into proof of stake, sell their mining equipment, and try to make something up, or they'll get into mining another proof of work network, such as Bitcoin, but also some other cryptos. I believe Cadena's proof of work, I believe Oasis network. I'm not sure about Oasis, by the way. I'm not sure if that's POW. So forget about that, but some of those cryptos is proof of work too. So I don't think a lot of miners are going to ETC. I do think Ethereum Classic is going to get bullish, all right, because of the whole. I think the media coverage and the hype around Ethereum's merge is also going to bring up more news coverage for Ethereum Classic, and I think that is why it's going to go up, all right. So I do think we're going to have a run, kind of depending on the market circumstances, up to like $42 or $44. Now I have to, as I said, depending on the market circumstances. If Bitcoin is crashing and the merge happens, I mean, obviously we're not going to get that move. But if we're already having a bullish day, we could actually get some sort of a rally. So I'm still bullish on ETC, at least so short term I'm bearish. If we're looking at the merge, I'm bullish. Long term, very long term, I think Ethereum Classic is going to keep existing. I don't think next bull market is going to be really good for ETC compared to other cryptos. All right, but those are my opinions, obviously, and that's my analysis. So if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that down in the comments. But for now, or in my Discord, which you can join by free in the description. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.